Hey YouTube, it's JJ here again. Just wanted to show you my homemade anvil. Because, you know, anvils, I've been looking at Craigslist and they go for pretty much like $450, something like $100. And I don't know, I was really, and this, like all this that I got, you know, found in the junk pile. And this is from the, this is the disc rotor from the Ranger, old Ranger, the old 2004 Ford Ranger. I replaced that, so I just took it, welded it on this old tire rim, and it's kind of like an anvil, and it has a hole. It's kind of sanded it right here, so it's kind of smooth too. Yeah, this pipe found in the woods, and buried in the dirt, but you can probably find this in the junk pile or something. And these brackets you can probably find these at the hardware store, and these little ones too. Just kind of welded these on there. And yeah, these little brackets, and I did these too, and there's one at the bottom too. I did screws. And yeah, and I kind of welded this too. You can see that. And then I welded it right here, and then on the back, right here. Kind of did on the sides too. I don't know if you can see it, but I did it right here, and a little bit right here. And yeah, this is welded too. Eventually, this is welded also. You can't see it, but I don't know. So yeah, and this is an old stump thing I found. But you could probably get like a tree stump, get a big tree stump like this, and do the same thing. So yeah, just wanted to show you my homemade anvil. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it, and subscribe, and go check out my other videos too. Something in the woods over there. But, yeah, just go check out my other videos, and I'll see you in the next one.